If your concrete drill has been used for a while and is now running slowly or inconsistently, let me guide you on how to fix it. The part we're disassembling is the rear of the drill, where we'll check the carbon brush assembly. Make sure to have a small pair of pliers like mine ready. They're very handy for tasks like pushing the spring aside and pulling out the contact pins of the carbon brushes. In the drill I'm working on, one carbon brush is still intact, but the other is broken. After removing the carbon brushes from the holder, I proceed to take a new pair of carbon brushes. Remember to place the contact wires in the correct direction. Do you know why that's important? Feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments. Now insert the contact wires of the carbon brushes into the holder. If the video quality isn't great, please feel free to share your feedback with me. Now I'll double the speed. If you have any handheld tools or battery-powered machines that are malfunctioning, feel free to leave your questions in the comments. I promise to respond as soon as possible, and will assist you to the best of my ability. I am a curious person, and this job not only satisfies my interest, but also supports my livelihood. Therefore, I can ensure safety during the process. However, I do not encourage you to try or follow my steps in any form. Thank you for taking your precious time to support me. Don't forget to show your support with a like and a channel subscription.